Peace, y'all. It's Sunday, September 17. It's about a few minutes to 5, so I got to be quick. I got to get in the car and head back to Roseville to get PM Church. They had a visiting evangelist preaching this morning. He was really, really good. Blue suit, orange tie. He even had my colors on. You know what I'm saying? So I want to get home, and usually when a guest preaches in the morning, they bring him back and he preaches a whole other sermon in the evening. So I want to get back and see that. Just want to give you an update. We got our filled in between all those 2x4s, right, where the support wood for his old ceiling from the back room quit. Filled that in, taped it all in. Got our first 3 panels up. We leave them, these little discs, a little loose, so we can shove the next one in. We're a one-man gang out here, man. We got to do whatever we can to simulate an extra set of hands or 2 or 3. That's how I did it all up there. Is I put the screws in the center of the truss first with those little discs, left them quite a bit loose, and just stuffed the panel up in there. Kind of used my feet and hands to held it in place. Used the razor knife to cut around the end of each one of those pieces of 2x4. We did the little pieces, filler pieces, 2 days ago. We did these 2 pieces yesterday. We didn't get out here till almost 3 o'clock and had a lot of stuff to unload. It was just me and Sherry. You know, and I'm not knocking my brothers or nothing. I don't ask them because I know they don't want to do it. They don't want to help. I mean, who wants to move somebody's stuff over and over and over again? So here, her sisters haven't helped. A couple of her girlfriends have been here. Right now, Rich has been out here, moved some things with me once or twice. But I mean, you know, I'm not getting regular help. A lot of this, I mean, everything you see in here, other than Chuck cutting some boards, I did all by myself. So you can do it yourself, right? F125 yourself. You can do it yourself, and I'll show you how. But when you don't have enough hands, you got to do what you have to do. So we put those in, and then went ahead and stuffed the foam panel up into them, because we know we don't want to go any further than half of that truss, right? And then just trimmed, laying on our back up here. Killed me, killed my spine, man. That fusion area just, it's not good. It's not comfortable laying flat on something flat hard. It's no good. But thank goodness this bit here is done. I'll take you on to what I've got going next. I know, we got the rest of the ceiling. Well, we got a little project we got to do first. Now you see the truss here, right? This is the rafter, right? That's what we're putting our foam on. So we're at the top of that. I think it's a 2x10, 2x8, 2x10, probably 2x10. Right at the leading edge, you see that little stub of wood there. We need to simulate that all the way across here, all the way across to the one on the other side over there. So on the tin, above that 2x4, I've just measured, we're going to go up 4 7/8. That's going to leave an inch for the foam board we're putting in. Now you smell what I'm cooking, right? We're going to glue a 4 7/8 wide strip of the inch and a half, the heavier stuff, 1.5 inches, right to that tin, all the way across, behind all them 2x4s, behind those big posts there, all the way over. So it'll leave us the last bit to drop the panel onto, you know what I mean? To hold it up, and we'll just tape it. As long as that foam is glued to the tin, it can't come off. We'll tape it to that 2x4 because it's going to sit right on top of that 2x4. And we should be good to go. Just got up there and measured the top of this piece of 2x6 there. The very top edge of it is perfect height for where our foam needs to sit. So look at that. You see where we pieced in some foam. We've still got to fill all that in yet with foam. Another strip 4 7/8. Then we can go from this beam, center of this beam, to the tin is, I just wrote it down, 44 7/8. So it's not a full 48 inches. Just leaves us more scrap to fill all this stuff in. We're going to use every bit of everything we got, little pieces, whatever we got to do to piece it all in, get it all cleaned up. And I'll tell you, folks, being a person who's allergic to bee sting and flying insects that sting, yeah, look at that up there. The whole top of this sucker here is old bees nests and wasp nests, whatever. They're all dead, but all that stuff's got to come out of there, man. And it gives me, I'll tell you, it gives me the willies. But there you go. So that's the update. It's coming along. Look at how that tin just shined. I mean, we're not even around the lights yet. And it's already projecting a bunch of light up in there, you know. So this is going to work out really, really good. We're super happy so far with what's going on. We have all the foam that we need. We bought ourselves a new ladder. You know, the old, my mom's old, it's got a date stamped on it, 2015. Right here. 4/10, oh, I'm sorry, of 1995. Yeah, it's an old one. And it's a little rickety, and I'm afraid of heights. So we went out and spent the money and got us a big old 10-foot high step ladder. If it comes down to it, I could probably even clean the gutters on this joint if I'm, don't tell Sherry though, I don't want to have to get up on a ladder to do that. But, so that's it, we're making progress. But the progress is going to be cut short, and I'll share that with you in the next video in the car on the way home. Godspeed, God bless. We're getting her done. I'll be back out tomorrow to glue that stuff up. This week, got a big announcement, and I'll give it to you on the way home. I don't want to blow it. But there you go. We're getting her done. We'll bring you some more tomorrow. And of course, some more as it goes along. I'm excited. Talk to y'all. Godspeed. God bless. Hang in there. It'll get better.